kami sa DPWH a list of all the projects of all the top contractors. And may napansin ho kami, meron project ho ang Wawaw Builders worth 1.5 billion, wala ho sa NEP at sa GAA. Hindi ho namin mahanap kung paano ho napondohan. 1.5 billion, this is only one contractor we tested. So hindi ho namin mahanap. And then, pinasubmit ho namin yung DBM. We saw that yung Wawaw Builders, napondohan yung kanyang mga projects through unprogrammed amounts na hindi ho nakaline item sa GAA. So these are just requested by the DPWH through the DBM and decided upon by the Secretary of DBM.